It's so fucked up. I wish I would have videotaped the whole thing. Him. Oh, this is gonna be great. He can't get it. Look.
Did you just say Layla? Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Oh, the box, our boxer. Oh, that is funny.
He's trying to get it.
Hit the... He's trying to repair it. I gotta get Frank in frame because he's trying to help him.
Technical difficulties. You ever seen a Cuban in a lake before? On a kayak? With a remote
control speedboat.
Is the prop there or gone? Oh, that's weird.
I can't stop videotaping. I know I want to, but I can't because I want to see him get out. Like, I want to see how this is gonna work when he gets out.
Pull over to the sandy beaches.
Yeah, listen, right over here. You got some kind of beach.
No, I need a funny video to send in. On the last one.
I'm publishing this shit on YouTube as soon as we're done here.
Water.
Alligator.
Is it? Look, do you see it?
It's a turtle.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How do you know? I'm going to be
Because there's turtles in there.
Yeah,
That's what they do. They stick their little head up.
That's not his head.
Oh, well, he's sticking his penis up then.
Ew. So, now what?
Save the boat. This is going to be awesome.
Oh, there's water in his butt.
Ugh. Oh! That's fucking gross, bro. But just like a Cuban to wear a bathing suit as regular apparel. Never know when you might have to go swimming. Really?
Drive shaft came out.
No, not no. That's later. He just said.
And fade to black.